Hey guys, welcome back to BushFish'n'Cook. Now, as you can see, just finished work for the day and heading down to check out the Nepean River after the recent floods, see if there's any fish about. So this video will be probably a bit better for some of the locals for a bit of knowledge, just to see how the river's going at the moment, but some of you may still enjoy it anyway. Hopefully we can find a few fish. Let's just jump into it now. Just about down to the spot. Can be throwing good old Houdini shrimp again. So targeting some trout really, but the carp will even hit these, and catfish. I'll take any of them at the moment. Now this track is always really swampy for some reason. I mean, there was big rains not long ago, but doesn't seem to make up for how much rain sits on this track, or water I should say. Now I don't think I've fished at this spot since my very early videos. Bit of a carp there. People have been fishing down here. So yeah, a spot that a lot of you new subscribers may not have ever seen, unless you've gone back and watched some of the very early fishing videos. So hopefully today get a bit of luck down here. Let's see how we go. I'm not quite at the spot yet, but it wouldn't surprise me to find a trout right here in this shallower water. Alright, let's keep moving. Somehow, it's pretty flooded out here. Alright, just gotten to the spot and the water is flowing way faster than I had expected. So I don't know if we'll keep moving or what, but yeah, check out this situation and then see what happens. Maybe a bit of fishable water just to the sides. I think I'll give it a crack. Wow, the water is just flying. A little bit of slack here. If I hook a big fish here, but I'll be in trouble. I will not be able to stop it. Well, I thought the floodwaters had settled just a little more than this, guys, so I'll have to come back and try again in a few days. Alright, we'll move further on. See if we can find some other spots to fish. From some of the spots I've fished in the past, there could easily be a fish over here. Easily be a trout. Just in behind there. Or even just down through there. Let's see. Any fish hiding out over there? Yep, on. Take him easy, I don't know what it is. 4-pound line, lots of trees around. I think it's what we didn't want to catch, a bass. The bass is still out of season at the moment. Not a bad bass though. Decent fish. Alright, so there's still some bass about in the Nepean. And the Berkeley Houdini prawn. Get a quick measure and chuck him back. We'll just get a heap quick measure, chuck him straight back. Unless we get any stonkers after this, we won't bother measuring anymore. Just have a quick look roughly what's about at the moment. 38 centimetres. Not a bad bass at all. Oh, settle, settle, settle. Come on, mate. There you go. Nice fish. Just get him straight back. There he goes. Nice. Alright, so we know that there was a bass there. Is there any trout hanging about with him? Oh! Whoa! There's going to be another... Oh, he's off. Gee. That's a good fish as well. Not really sure what it was. That might be a snag, I think. Yeah, come on, get out of it. Oh, yep, got him back. Alright. Let's try and get in amongst that tree again. There we go. My shrimp's a bit messed up at the moment from getting snagged. Yeah, the hook's set to the side. Alright. Some of you might remember this spot from the Whopper Flopper video. I have no idea how slippery anything that's going to be. Oh, it's not too bad. Alright. It stinks here because there's a dead wallaby up on the hill behind me. I don't know how long I can hold out in this spot, but I'll give it a go for a little bit. Flatten this area out I'm standing. And I know this area is like snag central. I'll just see what happens. Alright, that might somehow do me. It just stinks here, guys. Whew. Yeah, look at all this rubbish. Whew. There's even a car washed up on the bank here. A Holden, of course. Gee. Tirana, I think. The second one I found along the river. Found another one up near Warragambra. SLR 5000 in about the same condition. Crazy. Found some actual solid ground. I'm gonna cast here. One problem, if I do get a fish here, I don't know how I'm gonna get it up. It's a very steep bank. Well, might be flooded. There is still fish. A little bit tough, but I guess that's how it goes sometimes. I'm gonna quickly try Coffee's Crossing before I head off. So we'll see how that goes. Well, just about at Coffee's Crossing now. A bit of a flick here before dark. Just see what happens. Hopefully get lucky and pick up a trout. Even a catfish on the soft plastic would be pretty cool. Another silver perch. Yeah, I don't know. Anything would be great. Just to show you guys what's actually around still. There's none of the herring or the mullet at the moment. Bit of a comparison on this creek. Oh, we can still kind of see. The last time I was fishing it just underneath me, and now that's what's left of it. Very small little stream most of the time. Alright guys, that's it. Call it quits now. Got one bass and probably dropped the bass. I'm very sure that's what the second fish was. So there's a few fish around, but unfortunately seems to be majority of bass at the moment and can't be targeting them at the moment, so who knows, hopefully some trout will be back soon. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, catch you all later. Check that sunset.